Welcome to Ecovacs Technical Support. Today we have here a YouTube Pro model. Customer complaint is that making loud noise when working. So I opened the Deebot actually already. Some customer they asked me show us how to open the top cover. But actually I was in a hurry, so I just already removed everything. But now I just want to show you what is the noise and what is the reason for that one, from where the noise was coming, so you can understand. Maybe in the future you will face this issue, so you can solve. So once I power on, the Deebot is now already on here, you can see here. So I press this button, then you will hear the sound. You can bring over the camera here, I will show.
Resuming cleaning.
You can hear the sound. Okay, now I pause the machine. Now please come over here, I show you from where the sound was coming out. I just power off the Deebot first, remove this wire. Okay. When I run the Deebot, actually I understand what was the sound, from where the sound was coming out. First I thought maybe the side rush sound, but when I run the Deebot, so from the vacuum fan very clearly we can understand that this is a vacuum fan sound actually. So the vacuum fan whenever turn on, so inside there should be something as, but I'm not sure whether you can see clearly or not. Over there in the, if you can see here, there's a plastic over there. As you can see here, yes, this part. Yes, there's a small plastic. Yes, let me just take out first, then I show you. Yeah, this one's a vacuum fan actually. The plastic bag, the small piece of the plastic, maybe I think from the vacuum fan, maybe the customer didn't install properly this part, or maybe they run without the dust box, something like this. So the vacuum fan, the brush pick up from here and go in direct here like that. So that is the only reason the plastic or any dust can go in the vacuum fan. Otherwise anything cannot go in the vacuum fan, everything will go in, I mean the from the vacuum fan. As you can see here, in the vacuum fan only can go anything from here actually, from this side. And this is the dust go in here first, and then from there the airflow will come out from here, and then the vacuum fan is actually picking up anything from here actually. This is the suction port. So from here, of course, from the filter it cannot go in, right? So this is the thing, only maybe this thing is not installed properly, or maybe without this thing they run for a few minutes, or maybe mistakenly run. So now I show you again here, there won't be any sound, hopefully there won't be any sound. Okay, now I turn on. Now I run the Deebot.
Starting cleaning.
No, this is a normal sound. This is the normal vacuum sound, it's not noisy. So the sound noisy was just because of that plastic piece was touching inside the vacuum fan, and that is the reason only. So I pause this machine. So hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel as well if you not yet subscribed. Thank you very much. Thanks.